Hey everyone, and welcome to the analytics portion of the Facebook advertising in Lebesgue Smarter Marketing app. Just to give you a quick overview of this feature and why it was designed, here what we want to do is we want to give you an overview of all of your most important Facebook metrics that you can analyze in one place, so you don't have to go into your Facebook Ads Manager, and you're going to be able to actually see how your campaigns, ad sets, and ads perform within the Lebesgue app as you're doing analysis on all of your other business metrics and potentially Google advertising metrics. You have the time period selector and the metric selector up top. You can select your most important metrics or any other metric that you want to see. Something that's interesting and that's not readily available in the Facebook Ads Manager is the add to cart rate and the initiate checkout rate, which is always interesting to keep an eye on. We see that this business has been performing really well for yesterday, but also what's really interesting is that you can compare and analyze your campaign performance, your ad set performance, and your ads performance. The behavior is pretty much identical to what you're accustomed to in the Facebook Ads Manager. So if you select a campaign, you can drill down in it by going into different ad sets and by going into different ads. If you scroll down a bit more, you're going to see a graph that's going to let you compare two metrics at the same time. And what's really interesting is that you can select, so not just for this campaign, but I want to look at it overall. So I want to look at the total numbers for Facebook. I want to look at everything in the last month. And I'm just going to hit update, and you can break it down on a daily, weekly, or monthly level. So if we break it down by weeks, and if we let it load, we're going to see how much our spend affects our number of impressions. And here we can see that when we're spending more, we're getting more impressions. So that's something that we do expect to happen. But what we can also do is compare spend to our CPM. So to check whether our CPM is higher when we do spend more. And we can see that as our total spend goes up, so does our CPM go up slightly, or even not so slightly, quite significantly. So our CPM has gone from $25 to some $32 for this business. But if you want to learn more on how to use this feature and how to get deeper insights in it, feel free to send us an email or reach out to us via intercom. We'd be happy to help at any time.